Look, it's a picture. Look, there's snow everywhere. Yes, this is a picture from March 1993, and that is my 1992 K100RS, fresh out of the dealer with a new short block. And I'm getting ready here to leave for Daytona with my buddy Mike, whose bike is right behind me. That bike, if you look at the front wheel, has a 3-spoke wheel. That's no plain Jane K100RT. That 3-spoke front wheel comes from a K1, specifically my K1. My K1 that I put 53,000 miles on in a year. My K1 that had been to Florida and Texas and New Mexico and all over the place, the racetrack. And one night while out for a ride, I crashed on a low-speed slide out, and the damage was enough that they totaled it, despite my disagreement. So it was totaled. There wasn't anything I could do about it. The insurance company swept it away, but my buddy was able to buy it salvage and placed his 85 KRT on my drivetrain. Forks, wheels, engine, transmission, paralever rear drive, 3-spoke wheels, the whole 9 yards. And here it is a couple of years later. You'll see my bike is now white, parked there on the left with all the driving lights. Mike's bike's on the right, 85 K100RT with a K1 under it. Pretty exotic bike for the day. Those who thought they'd be able to dust the KRT and the twisties were quickly put to shame. Mike and I did a lot of riding together. Many rides, many miles, many thousand-mile rides. Here's the K1 on the way to Daytona, 1992, and that drivetrain ended up under Mike's bike, and that bike went to Daytona for the rest of that century, and I believe into the new millennium. That's how these K-bikes roll. They may not always survive completely intact. Sometimes they have to get chopped up and parts go to other bikes to keep other K-bikes rolling. Thank you, my friends. You'll see me again very soon. I have a whole bunch of things in the works. There's things going on in the shop. There's all kinds of things going on in the shop. It takes time to put all this stuff together, and sometimes that means I gotta hide in a hole for a while to have enough solitude to be able to get it all put together. It's in the works. Thank you, my friends. Happy December to you all. Best of health to you. Holidays are coming. I hope to put out some more material here before then. Take care, my friends. Good day.